Then we come to non-current assets. Under non-current asset, the first heading is property, plant and equipment. इसमें जितने भी assets होते हैं which you can touch and see comes under this, like vehicle, furniture, machinery, building, and so on, and you minus the depreciation on it. Find the amount posted in the balance sheet. Intangible assets are assets which you cannot touch and see, like mining rights, publishing titles, computer software, goodwill, trademark, copyrights, and so on. Please write them and find the total, put it in the balance sheet. Capital work in progress means building under construction. Put the amount and show it in the balance sheet. Intangible assets under development will be given to you as it is. Write the amount and show it in the balance sheet. Non-current investments are investments done in shares, debentures, partnership firms, bonds, government securities. Okay, so whenever the business does investments in these areas, that's known as non-current investment. Write the amount in the workings, add them and show it in the balance sheet. Long-term loans and advances. As soon as the word advances are added, this means business has lent money to someone. So maybe business has advanced some money for acquiring a fixed asset or a security deposit given by them, or some advance given to the suppliers, or to any advance given to subsidiary. All will come under long-term loans and advances. Other non-current assets comprises of long-term trade receivables. Okay, any money which are probably entitled to receive from your debtors after a year. Okay, unamortized expenses and losses, insurance claim money which is receivable, any amount due for the asset sold, all will come under other non-current assets. Add it and show it in the balance sheet. Under current assets, the very first heading is current investments. Current investments is when you have invested in these places for less than a year. It's current investments. Add it and show it in the balance sheet. Inventory consists of not only inventory of raw material, work in progress and finished goods, but also tools, spare parts, loose tools and goods in transit is a part of inventory. Show it in the outer column, add it and show it in balance sheet. Trade receivable consists of debtors. From that you minus the provision for doubtful debts and bill receivable. Cash consists of cash in hand and cash at bank. Short-term loans and advances comprises of short-term deposits made by the company or staff advances given by the company. Other current assets comprises of any accrued or prepaid income and expenses, any dividend that the company is expected to receive on the investments, and advanced taxes. So please do these subtotals and write it in the main balance sheet. Apart from this, if you see any of these things given in the question, this is not a part of the balance sheet, but you need to just prepare a working note for it, terming as contingent liability and commitment. This is only for disclosure purposes, doesn't come in the balance sheet.